asleep.
You're so on away. What go on with you? What you want to talk to me about?
Enough things here, Bubbles. May I consider for close the shop for you?
What? You can't manage it?
I not have the time.
So Ricardo not available for deal with it?
No, you know. You get a job now, so you know how that go.
And Patsy?
Patsy just help out when she can. Her ear business take off, so she's super busy.
So, you and Karim talk about closing it?
We supposed to. Not even that we not get for talk about.
We have to make some time for talk though, innit?
I know, but that have to happen when Quick gone back with Prinny.
So when that?
When she finish her EP, I guess.
The Quick something that frustrate you?
Honestly, not really, you know. Since the therapist come, she starts spend some extra time with Quick. And we need some time to discuss with Karim about the place.
Alright. You know you have a lot on your hands, T. You have the agency work, you have the community program. I know you like the idea of having the shop. But if you can't manage it, you just have to let it go.
It look like I that me have to do.
Take some time and think about it. Because sometimes it takes letting go of things for new things happen.
Is it true? Shoppy did love that shop here? It's like, me don't want to let it go.
Him did passionate about it. You just do it because you didn't respect him. You have a different calling.
You know, say, I never da look on it that way there. I like the shop, you know, but I never passionate about it.
Enough time we get stuck with things where we're not passionate about and we not find out till long after.
We have the space. But it could just feel weird if I lock it up.
One thing at a time, T. You don't commit already to looking about Quick. When Quick gone back up, then you can clear your head. And you and Karim can talk about what I got to do with the shop.
Makes sense. But next thing now, my mother.
What about your mother?
I'm concerned about her.
Concerned? What now?
Me I wonder if she a relapse.
Oh. You mean if she gone back in what she used to do?
Her behavior pattern, it just weird. I'm go visit her yesterday.
Weird? Like how? Like what? What kind of signs you pick up? How she that behave?
First, she shocked to see me. She da behave nervous. And not even once the woman invite me inside. Outside me and her that talking.
Suppose the woman have a little spooky inside and she don't want you know. Come to her, remember say she a big woman.
Trust me, Bubbles. It more than that. Trust me. Her behavior is just weird. And she not even looking at my eye when she talk to me.
Well, maybe I need to have a reason with her and tell her so she needs to be upfront with you.
I'm not gonna do that. Cause my feel she not gonna admit to me she gone back in her life then. She know how I feel about it.
So how you plan to handle this then?
Something women I really want to do. But it look like I have to go trail her again.
Do what you have to do. Because it might be for their safety as well.
It feel weird me I feel like trail my mother. But we need to do it. Yes, quick? Alright, me a follow. Quick a call.
So I'm going to come inside and
Mm-hmm.
hear him up a long time and I see.
I never really saw you coming until you turned me around.
quickest foot.
Yeah, David. Put them never so quick again, you know.
Oh, yourself, man. Them so quick again.
Yeah, man, a flat foot, them name I know, man. Tony, you know, say, I the cheer me want you get for me and bring right there, so. Please.
Alright, but you not have to make it so and so.
So no.
Like you're bad at me.
Yes, like your bother.
Hey, make case I'm go for that, but man, no bother you.
Don't push it.
You're not easy, you know.
So, Miss B, where are David?
But they ain't no quick. But that's a circle because, you know, Tony said she don't want to talk to me, so but just come through. And then, I mean, you call her, so just use the opportunity and come circle you. But you look good though, you know. Like, you know, thick, healthy.
You don't know, you know, Miss. We are beyond strength, you know, man.
And you have glow up on top of it. Things good with you and pretty.
What kind of glow you bring to bad, man?
You're there.
But they say me look fresh, you see me, because images everything on Thursday is nothing. Yeah, but we not glow something. But I feel girl them.
One thing I'm glad for, your sense of humor come back and your spirits up.
You don't know, no, Miss Brissett. You get good treatment, you know. You see me? The whole family and Tony and like, matter of fact. Tony and a Billy can build a chair. Must cook a cook, you can cook it.
Under the emergency ward is now a KPH, yeah? No matter show off yourself, me make you come feet.
Alright, water Campbell. Rest it right there, so for me there. Please. Every day say you know, give you a rest, man. You see him coming up like a crew, you know.
Tonya, yes, press the two side.
Lock it.
See
Lock the
there.
wheel.
Come.